Water is called the elixir of life. Water is essential for all living beings. There can be no life without water. 18% of the world population, which resides in India, have access to only 4% of usable water sources. The water sources are contaminated with both bio and chemical pollutants. In this kind of grave scenario, the question is how to provide safe drinking water to the vast population. Among the different CSIR laboratories, CSIR Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute is actively involved in finding affordable solution to the country drinking water problem. They have developed ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis based technologies which can purify the water after removing all the contaminated ingredients. The laboratory developed relatively large-scale facility for production of thin film composite reverse osmosis membrane in the scale of 100 square meter per batch. For practical applications, laboratory has also developed membrane modules and designed and fabricated customized membrane-based plants for direct desalination and purification of water. The performance of the indigenous TFC membrane modules have been evaluated in the field by setting up several brackish water desalination plants in the country. One of the prestigious projects with support from ONGC CSR scheme is coming up in one of the coastal villages of Tamil Nadu where the problem of drinking water is acute. The technology for the commercial production of TFC membranes and modules has been licensed to Unique Flux Membranes LLP, Pune, and Rinzai Hydratech Private Limited, Ahmedabad, and Omtech Rajkot. It has also been established that these membranes are useful for disinfection of drinking water and treatment of industrial wastewaters. The technology has helped many regions of the country to overcome the drinking water problem. The institute has mastered the art of making flat sheet, ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis membranes of water disinfection and desalination respectively. Module making for practical application of membranes and designing, assembling customized filtration plants of various capacities as per commercial standard.
Whatever we are manufacturing here in the country, first of all, it is indigenous, which is contributing to the Make in India theme of the present government, first thing. Second thing, even if we can replace a certain percent of the import by making indigenous membranes, naturally, it will contribute to save the economy of the country.
CSIR CSMCRI has also developed the capability for manufacturing ion exchange membranes and fabrication of assembling of electrodialysis units with different capacities. CSIR CSMCRI has installed a solar-powered electrodialysis unit for water desalination or purification with 200 to 300 LPH treated water output in Hatab village near Bhavnagar. This unit is providing safe drinking water for 1500 population since March 2017. CSIR CSMCRI also served the nation during natural calamities by immediately rushing its mobile membrane-based water purification unit. This bus is equipped with membrane-based desalination system and hollow fiber-based ultrafiltration system for removal of bacteria, virus and other pathogens. Despite water being an existential need for humans, it's also one of the most under-prioritized but over-abused commodity. It is high time we start thinking about it, for science can only walk few steps, but we humans will need to act with more sincerity.